Most of the time in my work, I'm creating tools and it's a mere act of creation. It's not so much an act of editing. Yes, I edit the tools, but I'm not editing a code base. So for me to constantly push yes, 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 yes for something that does not exist yet, this is my use case. So that's why I use dangerous sudo permissions. That's why in my previous video, I say just let it do anything because I'm creating things from scratch, which is not the typical use case for Claude Code and Cursor because it's an engineering tool for amazing engineers to make their workflow faster. And at every company, the code base is existing, so you can't let an LLM just run wild because of what happens. In this case, you can because it's new. If I see that things are working, I'll make a zip file like this. I'll just do a zip file and then go ahead and version my zip files. Yes, you can use GitHub. However, zip files are much easier for this workflow. So just want to say that in case I just trying to preempt any comments. I don't respond to comments, but definitely do hear the genuine, nice thoughts behind it. There's always the crux of how much should I explain myself and what for people to watch my videos, but so that's why sometimes I just get to the point.